video will help you with selecting the right newspapers for your print ads campaign. Google's network includes over 750 daily publications, including large metro dailies, alternative weeklies, Hispanic publications, and college newspapers. We're constantly adding new publications, so be sure to check out the most updated list on the Print Ads website or while you're creating your campaign. You have several options when choosing newspapers for your Print Ads campaign. You can look for papers in specific locations, or you can search for the actual name of the newspaper. For example, let's say I have a beach house in Miami and I'd like to rent it on the weekends to local young professionals in nearby cities. Local newspapers are a very cost-effective and targeted way to reach a specific audience. So I can either search for available newspapers in cities like Orlando and Tampa, or I can actually search for specific publications like the Orlando Sentinel and the Tampa Tribune. Alternatively, I could also run my ads nationally in major U.S. cities like New York, LA, or San Francisco using the same strategy of either looking for available newspapers in the city of my choice or searching for the actual newspaper name. In addition to searching for newspapers by location and name, I can also choose to view all of the newspapers in the Google Print Ads system by clicking on this View All link right here. I can then browse through the exhaustive list of newspapers and pick relevant publications for my campaigns. Notice how I can use this sidebar on the left to refine my search results. For example, I can use these demographic filters to reach a specific target audience. Since I'm interested in advertising to young professionals, let's assume that my target audience consists of male and female college graduates who are between the ages of 25 and 35 with an annual income of over $50,000. I'm going to adjust these levers right here to zero in on the publications with the highest circulation of my chosen demographics. In addition to refining my search results by demographics, I can also filter by newspaper section, color ads availability, circulation, ad size, and publication type. Since I'm targeting young professionals, I can assume my target audience reads the business section in their newspaper of choice. As such, I can choose to only see the newspapers that have a business section or newspapers that are classified as a business publication. Now that I've filtered my search results, I'm ready to select newspapers for my campaign. I can do this by simply clicking on this Add link right here. Note that I can find out more information about a particular newspaper by clicking on this Info button right here. Also, newspapers that offer color ads have this icon, and if a newspaper is categorized as a certain publication type, the classification will be denoted with this green text. Once I'm done selecting newspapers for my print ads campaign, I can review and edit my selections by going to the Review Selected Newspapers tab. If I don't need to make any changes, I will click Continue to move on to the next part of the campaign setup process.